Customer service plays an important role in an organization's ability to generate revenue and profit. One good customer service experience can change the entire perception a customer holds toward your organization. The support you offer your customers, both before and after they buy and use your products or services, helps them have an easy and enjoyable experience with you. Offering amazing customer service is important if you want to retain customers and grow your business. Infor CloudSuite Industrial makes the business of managing customers easy and efficient. A customer service professional has complete access to all the information they need instantly on their dashboard, whether researching the answer to a question or entering a new order quickly on the fly. Immediately look up price information for a customer while on the phone. Check availability inventory on hand by warehouse. The order entry experience must be comprehensive, yet fluid. Your customer service representative immediately knows the credit status of the customer as soon as they start taking an order. Prices for each item are automatically determined based on the price rules for each customer. You may have standard lead times by item or need to compute a realistic promise date for delivery of the order. Advanced planning computes the just-in-time release of jobs and purchase orders, considering material availability, capacity, and order priorities. APS plans all levels of an order, so every order knows the jobs and purchase orders it needs, and every supply knows the orders it affects. While entering an order, customer service can determine whether a date can be achieved, the quantity that is deliverable, if not the entire order, and what constraints are preventing delivery in full. Drilling further, we see the detailed plan for producing this order, along with information about the bottleneck on the order. The 2-week lead time on this part is the constraint. If this part can be expedited, we could get this order finished in time for the customer. Once the order entry process is complete, an acknowledgement is delivered electronically to your customer. Document communications with customers to provide a history of interactions and never miss a follow-up. Two-way integration with Microsoft Outlook lets you stay in touch with your customers without missing a beat. Emails to and from contacts may be synchronized between Outlook and CloudSuite Industrial to ensure everyone in your organization has the latest information. Data from CloudSuite is appended to Outlook records to provide up-to-date information at your fingertips. The Customer Service Manager workbench provides real-time data analysis to identify predictive trends and proactively respond to critical issues pertaining to customers and orders. Quickly see how the business is performing and focus on issues before they become problems. The metrics at the top of the page relate to all customers, while the metrics in the middle are specific to a single customer. Selecting a different customer number dynamically changes data to relate to that customer. Drill into the details of a metric, such as late orders, which brings up an interactive report for investigating the cause of an issue. Drill further into a specific order to see the impact of late orders on a key customer. Customer service in Infor CloudSuite Industrial makes your company easy to do business with.